bye-bye to Wales. I've just gone through Chepstow, and so truly in England now. Off to have a look at the Dean Forest at Lydney, a preserved railway there. So onwards and upwards, Ireland now. As my milk's turned to yoghurt, and I couldn't have Alpen this morning, I've gone for a trucker special. They should fill me up, keep me going most of the day. You, as they say in these parts, there you go, look, I've got me tea. Wow. So here I am in the Dean Forest. Welcome to the Norchard station, home of the Dean Forest Railway. Cafe, museum, shop, steam trains, April the 17th to November the 7th, Wednesdays, weekends and bank holidays. So it's closed today, but I'll see if I can see what I can find. Then I'll move up the line, up the road to the next. Seems there's only 2 stations, maybe 3. As you know, I love my tankers. Excellent. Dean Forest, established 1970. In a way, I'm quite happy that it is closed because the whole place is to myself, but whether I can get in or not, I don't know. If not, just across the way there I can see there's a couple of locomotives and a couple of wagons. We've got a gaggle of axle sets here, and instantly what I can smell is that funny old smell of grease. Right, let's go onward, because this is what we got here. Let's hope, and whether I'm going to get thrown out or not, I don't know. We'll go and have a look. A lot of covered coaches here. An old brake toad, if I'm right. Water tower, coal stack, and some workshops. Don't ask me what that is, but wow, it looks in really great nick. And the carriages behind it look like they've all been sorted and shiny. I gather that's some kind of control box. Oh, look at those carriages up there, all shining. I think it's built on an old mine. This is just see a thing about the Miners Association. Oh, look at that. Lovely. You've got quite a bit of track and sidings here. And those beautiful coaches up there, carriages. A couple of nice wagons. Here's a little DMU, and this one looks like it's been fettled. Look how clean that is. It's a lovely little station. Look at the work gone into this. It's all painted, all looking great. I've got to go and have a look at the signal box. Look at that DMU, absolutely in perfect nick. Lovely toad. And what is that? I think as a HGV 44 tonner I should be allowed to have a go in that. That's obviously their weed killer. This siding reminds me of the sidings in the Kent coalfield. These wagons would have been loaded, ready to go at some point in the night when the line's quiet. Oh, look at all this. Oh, wonderful. And there's the wonderful signal box. Sorry about the sun. Oh look, there's an 08 up there. Is that an 08? Gladys. There's lots here to see. Yeah, these are the coal sidings, aren't they? There would have been rows and rows of loaded wagons here to go in the night. Oh, a couple of shafts here, mining shafts, would have been capped off. But look at that, that is wonderful, isn't it? I'm going to have to get a picture of that. As I've done a bit of engineering and steel work, it's interesting to see a train in this state, just to see how she's put together. You know, coaches and carriages have got similarity. Yeah, quite interesting to look at. But I'm sure when the boys in the workshop get their hands on this, it won't take long to bring her up to scratch. It's probably 2-pack paint or something nowadays, but yeah, look at those carriages up there. Even this old lamppost, look, it's still got its gas pipes and taps ready for 2 mantles and a glass cover, now replaced by a incandescent light bulb. Yeah. Not only is it a good view of the carriage there, but all these lovely signs: Cadbury's Chocolate, Nestles, Capstan Navy Cut, Purnell's Shag, Daily Mirror. Okay, have a look at this, a little tiny 040 diesel shunter, tiny little thing. Obviously going to be restored. It looks in quite good nick anyway, it just needs a bit of paint fettling. Oh, that'd be fun in your back garden, wouldn't it? Interesting fact, it costs £50,000 for our volunteers to restore just one heritage carriage. And look at this, it's an old chimney, look. Loco chimney. There we go, there's a couple of shunters there. I know the first one's diesel, I'm not sure about the second one. So I can see bars. No, there's definitely a steam engine, the second one. And there's something going on in the workshop, so I can hear tools banging and people talking and giggling. So the volunteers are obviously here today, which is excellent. Westward Ho, smoking mixture. Okay. It's nice, even the gents and ladies toilets are open just in case. So I think I'm leaving Norchard now, and I'm going to go up the line, see if I can get a few pictures from the other station. Alan out for the moment. Wow, welcome to the Dean Forest. I did find the other end of the line, but I really couldn't stop anywhere. It was pretty locked up as well, so just going to have a cup of tea here in the woods. Not very peaceful though. And who would drop their blooming litter here? So it's just awful. Well, this is the Dean Forest. Look at that. That's inviting. So I don't think there's going to be any more on the Dean Forest Railway. I think I've covered it. So let's see what else I can find. I wish I could stop to get a picture of the Severn Estuary. Let's see if we get a little glance of it down here. A beautiful view from up here, but no resting places or viewing place. Let's hope we get a blast in the valley here. Maybe, maybe not. Bloody trees, too many trees. A wonderful view from up here. Too many trees. No, doesn't look like it. Never mind. What the fucking hell are you doing, silly fucking arsehole? Can't see what I'm doing, of course. It's so bright and sunshine, I can't see the LED, but this is the Severn Estuary just before Gloucester. Never seen this view before, I had to come and have a look. Okay, it's Al in the van. Again, I'm editing this video. I'm sorry it ended so quickly. I'm within the boundaries of Gloucester, so I will be, this is a kind of a pre-warning to Alan in the Loft. Not this Alan, another Alan in the Loft in Gloucester. I'm sorry about the swearing, just some drivers are driving bloody blindfolded. I only needed a couple of feet and the man's in the middle of the road. Anyway, I'll put this video up. Alan, I'll give you a ring in the morning please, and we'll try and arrange something. I think it's going to be hot, so I'm worried what the temperatures are like in your loft, but give you a ring in the morning. So that's Alan not in the loft phoning Alan in the Loft tomorrow in Gloucester. Alan out. Oh, great. Lovely. Stand by for some different trains. You must be getting fed up with the same carriages going past all the time. Anyway, it is going to be a short video. Another travelling. Wow, wow.